Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be doing a K-pop haul unboxing from KoreanMall.com. I was able to buy this many albums since Korean Mall sells their albums at market value and they offer free shipping on orders over $49. I placed my order on July 10th and I received it on July 26th, so that's about 2.5 weeks. It's a really good deal considering other sellers will take longer and probably charge you a lot more for shipping. When you place an order, Korea Mall has to ship your items from their warehouse. Once it arrives at the packaging center, they'll ship it out to the buyer. For me, the domestic shipping took about 2 weeks, but then they used express UPS shipping, which took about 2 days to arrive here in the US. For this haul, I ordered a total of 7 albums and a couple BTS goods. The albums arrived in great condition, rolled in lots of bubble wrap. I was quite satisfied overall with the packaging. In this package, I ordered Big Bang's Made, Final in Seoul, Day 6 Daydream, and BTS Are You Late Too. Here I have BTS School Love Affair, iKON's full debut album, and EXO's Exact Monster version. A couple of the albums came with folded posters. Here's a Hip Hop Monster paper holder, a Jungkook L file, and Winner's limited edition debut album. Alright guys, so that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.